do 2 more. Up. And 1 more. And now let's head to the other side. Reposition yourself first. Make sure those knees are still under those hips for me. Those hands are planted palm to the floor. Bringing now the right hand to the head. Little micro bend in that left arm. Gently tucking it to the floor. And then slowly rotating it up and coming back in. Exhaling for power, making sure that spine stays neutral within your own range. So palms to floor, exhaling for power, slowly coming up and then slowly coming in. 5 seconds here. For 4. For 3. For 2. And for 1. We are now going to gently roll over onto our backs, ladies. So we're coming over onto our backs now. You can have that mat rolled up a little bit if you want for some cushioning. Now we do want to have our spine quite neutral. So neutral obviously is laying down in your point, but if you do want your head up just a little bit, you can comfortably rest your head on that block as well. Just getting rid of ponytails or buns if anyone has any. Now our palms are going to be down onto the floor, so palms facing the floor for me. We're quite grounded here. We're opening up through the shoulders. We're lengthening the legs long. Lengthening the legs long now. We're anchoring the heels. We're going to settle in here. Anchoring the heels, settling in, palms down to the floor. We're going to do some little pelvic tilts. So what's going to happen is most of us here know what a glute bridge is. A glute bridge would be a bent leg, drawing hips up to the ceiling and hips back down. A pelvic tilt is just a little thrust of the hips. If you need to have a little look at me, you can have a look. It's just a little tuck and then drop back down. It's a little tuck to create that arch and then you drop back down. So we're squeezing in through the glutes, ladies. Whenever you're ready, we're going to do a few of these rounds in your own time. So you're drawing, I guess, ribs down to hip bones of that squeeze and then we're letting it go. Drawing ribs to hip bones and then we're letting it go. Now when we're doing this as well, ladies, we're also thinking about that nice pair of jeans we've got on. Let's do some visualization.